When we started off on our B1 implementation journey, we quickly found that it's quite a small user community for the B1 product. So finding an organisation like the user group was really powerful for us in terms of giving us sort of a beeline into people that had been through that process already, that had the experience of implementing some of the more advanced features within B1, and just really helping us on our journey to a successful implementation. The user group's been really useful when we've had specific questions in terms of what B1 can do. So a specific example would be around sort of our supply chain management. We have quite a unique business in that we own and operate our own bar division, our own retail division, but we also manufacture beer up at our brewery in Aberdeenshire. So we've got some really specific requirements about how we make sure that the beer that we manufacture, we brew in Aberdeen, gets to our bars as fresh as possible. So sort of early on in the implementation, we had some key requirements there. We talked a little bit to some people in the user group about what they'd done in similar circumstances. There wasn't any other brewers in the user group, but there was other manufacturers that had similar challenges. So that was really, really useful in terms of how they'd implemented not only B1, but how they'd extended the functionality of B1 with other products as well. So that was really useful. So we've made some pretty good relationships to the B1 user group. And I think I find as soon as I tell somebody I work for a brewery, it just opens doors, surprisingly enough. So I think a lot of people are just united by this love of beer. So that's been really, really useful. And I always try and say thank you for any advice I get by sending a case of beer through the post. So as I say, that's led to quite a few friendships actually that have developed offline. Particularly with one of the guys that I'll meet for the first time face to face tomorrow. But we always talk regularly on the phone about our kind of recent experiences with B1. So that'll be really, really good, and hopefully that'll continue in the future. I think for any business, implementing ERP is a huge investment, and I think by joining something like the user group, it just helps to ensure that there's a support network around that helps you maximise the investment that you're making, and also gives you a bigger picture as well as to what's going on in the industry, how other people are using the software, and really what's coming down the road in terms of new technologies. I'd say that anybody using B1 should definitely join the user group, and primarily because it is such a small user community, and I think sharing learnings between users is really, really important to continuing to develop the B1 product and maximising on the investment. So I think that'd be excellent, and I think it is. It'd be great to see more and more people join the group, because I think we'll all continue to get more and more benefit as the user community grows.